Hello everyone, the topic for today's video is backup and restore. Starting with backup. Backup is an action to create a compressed data file that allows AutoCount to restore the data. Go to Tools, then Backup, to perform backup action. Backup window will appear. The backup file name is generated by system automatically. However, you can erase it and amend to your preference. Click the Browse to select a location to store the backup file. Backup to window will appear. Add is to add location. Update is to change the location. Delete is to remove the location. OK is to confirm action, and Cancel is to exit this window. You are not able to backup to C drive directly. Thus, we'll use Update to change the location, example desktop. Tick the checkbox of Password to apply password to the backup file. However, if you forget the password, there is no way to restore it. Click Backup to. The backup action will be started and stored in selected location. Once the backup is completed, a message will prompt up. The backup file is located at desktop, the location that is set up by using Browse. Proceed to restore action. Go to Tools, then Restore. Restore wizard window will appear. You are able to choose Restore data to current PC or other PC that has installed SQL instance. If you are going to restore to current PC, click Next to proceed. Tick the checkbox of Restore the data in any PC to restore data to other PC. Click Get Available Servers. Choose from Available SQL servers will appear. Select the server instance and click OK. The selected server instance will appear in server name column. Untick Use Default Password to insert the changed SA password. Remain ticked if you have not changed SA password. Click Test Connection to check the PC and server instance has connection. A message prompt will appear. Click OK. Then, click Next to proceed. Click Browse to select the backup file to restore database from which backup file. Untick Use System Recommend Name to change database name. If needed, you can click the database folder to change the location of the database folder. Tick the checkbox of Use Password to insert the password of the backup file. Remain unticked if the backup file has no password. Advanced options can apply when you are using Restore to this PC only. This option allows you to change the timeout and the location of temporary folder. Click Finish to start Restore action. After Restore action window will appear. After done restored the database. Tick the checkbox of Set Remark to Today Date to set current date as remark for the restored database. Then, you can choose either one of the options below. Exit current account book and login to restored account book. This option will close the account book and login window will appear. Second option is login to restored account book. The login window will appear without close the account book. Last, close restore dialog. This option will close this window and back to account book. After done your selection, click OK. A message about set current account book as old version. Click Yes to proceed this action. Click No to stop this action. The restored account book is added at the bottom of the listing. That's all for backup and restore. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.